Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing? This is Misty here, and I'm here with another vintage book share. I told you guys I have plenty to share with you guys, and that there will be several videos. So, for this video, I found some awesome little books. And here are some of them. Look at these. These are the Work Basket Home and Needlecraft for Pleasure and Profit books. Um, there is a lot of crocheting is what these are, is all crocheting, guys, and these are dated back to 1957. Copyright, I don't know about copyright. My guess would be 1957. So, maybe I can scan some of these and share them with you guys. Again, I will make sure because of copyright infringements, but if I can, I'd be happy to. So, they'll either I'll either send some out in a happy mail, or I'll scan and share them for free, or I'll put some in my shop. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. You guys know that you know how I am. So these are already good and vintaged, aged up. Love that. That makes my job easier. But it tells you how to make all these beautiful pieces in here. These gorgeous ads here as well. Um, I really love these books, and I'm just doing just a simple flip through so you can see some of the pages, some of the images. Crochet hooks for $1, 16 for $1. You can't get 16 for $1 anymore, y'all. That's crazy. So absolutely amazing books. I love these. I like dolls. So Halloween party time. They have recipes in them and how to make, um, cupcakes and pies and all kinds of things. So some of these recipes I'll definitely be keeping. But okay, so while we're here and while we're talking about that, this is a needlework book. But the great thing about finding these is you have these recipes in them. You could cut out and use those in garden books, in recipe books, or anything along that line. These would be great, like a traveling book. Like you went to a restaurant and you got, this recipe because you absolutely loved that pumpkin pie that you had wherever you had it. So just little cool ideas. These are stapled in. So again, you can take the staples out and use these as a full page in your journals. So I really am so happy that I found these. So, jewelry findings of interest to women, nurse training school, that's really cool. Old ads. So, there is that one. Look at that doll. Isn't she stunning? I need that doll in my life. And only $5.95? Seriously? I would die to have that doll. Here is this one. Again, all of these are just the little magazines, and all of these have, look at her, ain't she sweet? Wow. I would love to have one of those. That's a great bookmark right there. Take that out, you have a bookmark. So cool, right? Again, these have recipes in them as well. Cranberry salad. These are all holiday favorites. So, you have several different things that you can use these pages. Back up, Misty. Back it up. These books can be used in several different journals that you make. So, here again we have, oh wow, that's cool. Is that an envelope? That's an envelope. Look, check that out. So you already have a pre-made envelope in here. How cool is that? And I would not change this. I would probably ink the edges up and leave it just like this and stick it in a journal, and stick some ephemera in there and you already have a vintage envelope. How cool is that? all kinds of things in here. Love the ads. Love the whole flower theme. So here you go. Not only can you use it in sewing books and stuff or recipe books, you can add it in botanical books. Look, that's really cool. So that makes me happy about finding these. You know, there's recipes. It's with the cooks. Really awesome. Cake decorating. Yeah, this was an amazing find. And I have, like I said, tons of these. And I'm not going to, go through each and every one of them because, it's all pretty much the same. But you can find all kinds of things in here. Look at that. That's beautiful. That would be great to put in a botanical journal. And with these pages being stapled in, take the staple out, and then you've got the full page. Let me see what page that would be. What's on the other side of it? Okay, so that's on the other side, but still, that this is awesome, and it's May 1956. So I have tons of these books, and I have like stacks. I mean, like stacks of these little magazines that will take me probably into next year to use them all. Really cool design for the spring. So this would be great for fashion. What rows to use where? Oh, wow. So I have, yeah, like I said, I have tons of these, and I won't run out for quite a while, and I can use these plumb up until probably all this year and some of next year too. So great, another great find from the library. I'm so glad I seen their thing on Facebook that they was giving these things away. So this is a shorter video. Like I said, I'm not going to flip through every single one of these magazines because I have about 30 of these. This is just a tiny bit of what I have, but I have about 30 of these, so I've got a lot that is going to last me a while. They're all pretty much the same needlework, with recipes and some botanical stuff in them, but it's really cool that I found these. Again, I will check the copyright, and if these are good to go, I may share some as a digital, do a digital set with these, or I may share some as well with you guys. So I don't know. We'll find out in the coming days. So thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And you all have a great rest of your day. And as always, goodbye. God bless. And I'll see y'all again soon.